In this video class, I am going to discuss about scalar triple product or mixed or box product also we can say. Here concepts and including JEE Mains questions also I am going to discuss in this topic. Now, scalar or mixed or box product. The scalar triple product of three vectors A bar, B bar, C bar is defined as A bar dot B bar cross C bar. A bar dot B bar cross C bar, we can write box ABC also. Now here, if you take in the cyclic order, A, B, C, replace A by B, B by C, C by A in the anti-clockwise direction. There is no change in the result. Box ABC, that is equal to box ABC, A, B, C. Replace A by B, B by C, C by A, BCA, CAB. In that cyclic order, there is no change in the result. If I interchange any two, see this is here indirectly we are using the determinants properties only. Now, if I interchange any two vectors, it's a sign change only. CAB, here if I interchange these two, BAC. Here CAB is there. If I interchange these two, CBA minus, that should be multiplied by minus. In the determinants also, if any two rows or any two columns are interchanged, it's a sign changes. And here also, box A bar plus B bar, C bar, D bar. Here, this is the first row only, first row elements. This is the second row, third row. Here, if any A bar is given, triplet. Now, A bar plus B bar means every element in the first row, that is the sum of two elements. So, its determinant can be expressed as the sum of two determinants. Box ACD plus box BCD, like that only. Here also, the product of two determinants. Here L bar dot L bar, M bar, N bar, A bar, B bar, C bar, box. So, L bar dot A bar, L bar dot B bar, L bar dot C bar, that is the first row. M bar dot A bar, M bar dot B bar, M bar dot C bar, N bar dot A bar, N bar dot B bar, N bar dot C bar. Here we are using the product of two determinants only. Next, if all the three vectors are coplanar, the three are non-zero and non-collinear vectors are coplanar, its box should be equal to 0. Box means A bar dot B bar cross C bar. And every element in the first row, here every element in the first row, that is the multiple of k. So it's a determinant, we can write k times the value of the original determinant only. So k times box ABC we can write. Here indirectly we are using the properties of determinants only. Here one more thing, box of, here three vectors are given, these three vectors are coplanar. Here what is the box of these three vectors? So box of three vectors, that is equal to, here A bar, B bar, C bar vectors are given. Here if they give I cap, J cap, K cap in the directions of x, y, x, z axis, here box ijk, that should be equals to 1 only. Now here x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, z1, z2, z3, determinant of into box ABC we can write. Here I cap, J cap, K cap are there. We can write box ijk. Box ijk we can write that value, that is equals I bar dot J bar cross K bar. Ijk, here also cyclic order you can take anti-clockwise direction. Here J bar cross K bar, that is I cap only. I bar dot I bar, that is modulus of I bar square, that is equal to 1. So only this one we can get. The dot product of these three vectors, that is equal to determinant of, we can write directly determinant of x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, z1, z2, z3. Next, volume of parallel pipe. Now here all the faces are parallelograms only. Here all the faces are parallelograms, parallelopipe. Here this is the base. Base is a parallelogram. Here A bar, B bar, C bar are coterminous vectors. Coterminous vectors means either all are having the same initial point or having the same terminal point. Here these three vectors having the same initial point. So these three are said to be coterminous vectors only. Now here you can see this is the base. Base is a parallelogram. What is the area of the parallelogram? Modulus of A bar cross B bar. And this is the vector. This is the vector perpendicular to both A bar, the plane containing A bar comma B bar. So here this is the A bar cross B bar, or this is the vector parallel to A bar cross B bar. For some lambda also we can take. This is the vector perpendicular to both A bar comma B bar, that is A bar cross B bar. Now here angle between these two I am taking theta. This is the theta between C bar and A bar cross B bar. Now volume of the parallelopipe, that is equal to base area into height. Base area into height. That is equal to, here base is parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram modulus of A bar cross B bar. This is already we discussed in the previous class. What is the height? Whatever the total height of the parallelopipe. Or here if any confusion is, if I put the height in the diagram, maybe little bit confusion also there. That's why here this is the total height. From here draw a perpendicular to A bar cross B bar. So this one I am considering height only. This is the total height of the diagram, parallelopipe. Now here this is the right angle triangle. Otherwise not this one, this total this one only. By looking like that one, this total plane only. This is the total plane. So height of the parallelopipe. Now this height I am taking h. So in this triangle, if I apply cos theta, this is total base only, not this is the height. This is the total base. This is the width of that is one lies on the plane only. This total parallelogram lies on the plane like this one. This is the base. This is also height also, that is like this only. So from here we can take this one. This part we can draw like that. Now cos theta is equal to adjacent side. Whatever the adjacent side here, h, by whatever the hypotenuse, the opposite to right angle. Opposite to right angle, that is this whatever the vector here, C bar. What is its modulus? Length modulus of C bar only. Modulus of C bar we can take C also. H is equal to C cos theta. Height is C cos theta. And what about theta? Theta is the angle between these two vectors. Now here we can write modulus of A bar, modulus of C bar into cos of angle between these two, A bar cross B bar, C bar. That is the angle between theta. So that is nothing but A bar dot B bar. In the place of A bar here, modulus of A bar cross B bar dot C bar. A bar dot B bar, that is modulus of A bar, modulus of B bar, cos of angle between A bar and B bar. So here modulus of A bar cross B bar dot A bar cross B bar dot C bar. What is the, how to expand this one? Modulus of this one, modulus of this one, cos of angle between these two, cos of angle between the two, theta one we have taken. So A bar cross B bar dot C bar. Here we can interchange these two also. This is also we can write directly box ABC or A bar dot. While interchanging these two, here brackets also you can interchange. A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Both are same in the properties also have written. We can interchange a dot and a cross. At the same time you can interchange the you can change the brackets also. Otherwise A bar dot B bar cross C bar, that is meaningless only. This is a scalar, that one vector. We can't change write like that. So this is nothing but a box ABC. So volume of the parallelepiped, that is equals to box ABC. Here only I am saying volume of tetrahedron. Volume of tetrahedron, that is equals to volume, that is equals to 1/6 of box ABC. 1/6 of box ABC. Here total 4 pieces are there for tetrahedron. Base is a triangle. Base is a triangle. This is the tetrahedron, like diamond type only. So the volume of a tetrahedron equals to 1/6 of box ABC. Here one more point, A bar, B bar, C bar in that order form a right-handed system. Here box ABC, that is greater than 0. Box ABC is greater than 0. Left-handed system, box ABC less than 0. In that note you can add this point also. Now here 3 vectors are given, A bar, B bar, C bar. Of the ordered set, BCA is a left-handed system. Left-handed, then find the values of x. Left-handed means here ABC, form a left-handed system, we can write box ABC less than 0. So here we can write box BCA less than 0, we can write. Box BCA, how to write that one? That is nothing but a determinant only. First we can find the determinant of that one. BCA, what about B here? 2, 2x, 1. C, 1, 0, 1. A, x 12 minus 1. First find the determinant of that one. That is equal to 2 into 0 minus 12 minus 2x into minus 1 minus x plus 1 into 12. So minus 24 plus 2x plus 2x square plus 12, that is equal to 2x square plus 2x minus 12. Substitute that value. Box BCA, how much we got? 2x square plus 2x minus 12 is less than 0. Dividing with the 2. X square plus x minus 6 less than 0. X plus 3 into x minus 2 less than 0. So take the number line. Minus 3, 2. Right side first subinterval, always it gives the positive. Here negative, here positive. Already we discussed in the functions also. So what is the product of these two? Negative. So we have to consider the negative interval. X belongs to minus 3 to 2. Open interval. Here less than 0 is given. Both the boundaries are not satisfied. Next, prove that box of A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar, C bar plus A bar equals to 2 into box ABC. This one I am taking. Box ABC, how to expand that one? A bar dot, in the place of A bar here, A bar plus B bar is there. Dot, cross product of these two. B bar plus C bar cross C bar plus A bar. A bar plus B bar. Next here, what we are getting in this bracket? B bar cross C bar plus B bar cross A bar plus C bar cross C bar plus C bar cross A bar. A bar plus B bar dot Now here again you can do the dot product. A bar dot B bar cross C bar. So A bar dot B bar cross C bar we can write box ABC plus A bar dot B bar cross C bar, that is box ABA. Box ABA plus A bar dot C bar cross C bar, box ACC plus box ACA plus next with B, box BBC, BBA, BCC, BCA. And in the notes also I told you, if any two vectors are equal, its box equals to 0. Like determinants only. If any two rows or any two columns are identical or proportional, its a determinant equals to 0. This is 0, this is also 0, this is also 0, 0, 0, 0. So here box ABC plus cyclic order, change that one. Box BC, that is equals to box ABC. So box ABC plus box ABC, 2 into box ABC. Now let A bar, B bar, C bar be 3 unit vectors and A bar dot B bar is equal to A bar dot C bar. Here these 3 are unit vectors. So here we can write modulus of A bar is equal to modulus of B bar is equal to modulus of C bar, that is equal to 1. And here A bar dot B bar 0 means A bar is a perpendicular to B bar and A bar is a perpendicular to C bar. So A bar is perpendicular to both the plane containing B bar and C bar only. See here, this is the plane containing B bar, C bar. Two vectors are there. So here, what is the vector perpendicular to both B bar and C bar? That is B bar cross C bar only. So here, A bar is so many parallel vectors are there. Parallel to B bar cross C bar, so many infinite are there. Everything that is perpendicular to B bar cross C bar only. Here A bar is perpendicular to the plane containing B bar comma C bar. For example, here if I take this one, this is one of the plane. So many, here we can arrange so many, all these vectors are perpendicular to the plane only. So like that, here A bar is perpendicular to B bar comma C bar means A bar is parallel to B bar cross C bar. Here A bar is parallel to here, what is the vector? Perpendicular to the plane containing B bar and C bar, that is B bar cross C bar. So now here A bar also perpendicular to both B bar and C bar. So these two are parallel. If these two are parallel, here we can express one vector in terms of another one. So here A bar is equal to lambda times B bar cross C bar. We can express one vector in terms of other vector by multiplying with the scalar. So these two conditions are given. I have written that one. Now if the angle between B bar and C bar is 60 degrees. So here we can find out modulus B bar cross C bar also. Modulus of B bar, that is 1, and into modulus of C bar, that is also 1, into modulus I am taking, modulus of B bar cross C bar, modulus of B bar, modulus of C bar, sine of angle between the two, sine 60 degrees, that is the root 3 by 2. So modulus of B bar cross C bar we can get, we are getting the root 3 by 2. Then the value of modulus of box of ABC they are asking. That is equal to modulus of A bar dot B bar cross C bar, box means. That is equal to modulus of, what is A bar? A bar, that is equal to lambda into B bar cross C bar dot B bar cross C bar. Now A bar dot A bar, that is equal to A bar dot A bar, that is equal to modulus of A bar square. modulus of a bar square. Here modulus of lambda into b bar cross c bar into b bar cross c bar, that is modulus of b bar cross c bar whole square. Modulus of lambda into, now modulus of b bar cross c bar already we got, that is root 3 by 2, so 3 by 4 we can write here, that's value. Here we got modulus of lambda into 3 by 4, modulus of b bar plus c bar root 3 by 2 whole square, that is 3 by 4. Here how to get lambda value? Modulus lambda is there, how to get that one? And here we know the value of modulus of a bar, that is the unit vector, so its modulus of a bar, that is equals to 1. Modulus of a bar, that is nothing but modulus of lambda into modulus of b bar cross c bar, that is equals to 1. Modulus of lambda into modulus of b bar cross c bar, already here we got root 3 by 2, that is equals to 1. So modulus of lambda into otherwise that is equals to 2 by root 3. So modulus of lambda, you can substitute that value 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4 2 times, that is equals to root 3 by 2, that is the value of modulus of box ABC. Next one, if a bar b bar are two vectors such that modulus of a bar cross b bar is equal to 2, then find the value of this one. So whatever the box ABC, that is equal to a bar dot b bar cross ABC. So here how to write it? A bar dot b bar cross, in the place of c bar, a bar cross b bar is there. Now in the points, properties, I have written this one also. We can interchange these two. At the same time, we have to change the brackets also. A bar cross b bar dot a bar cross b bar. We can interchange these two. At the same time, we can change the brackets also. If you want, you can see the properties. Now a bar dot a bar, that is equal to modulus of a bar square. So this one you can consider a only, a bar dot a bar, that is modulus of a bar plus b bar square. Modulus of a bar plus b bar 2 is given, 2 square, that is equal to 4. Here box ABC equals to 2, then the value of this one. Already this one also, in the note I have given the properties, I have given the point. Box of a bar plus 2b bar minus c bar, box a bar minus b bar, a bar minus b bar minus c bar, that is equal to, here write down the coefficients 1, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1 into box ABC. Determinant of coefficients you can write down into box ABC. This one you can expand, 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into box ABC. That is equal to, here plus 2 plus 1, 3. Here these two gets cancelled. 3 into box ABC value is given 2, 3 2 are 6. Next one, box UVW, that is equal to U bar, V bar, V bar, W bar, that is equal to 1, then the value of this one. This is equal to, here UVW, everything you can express in terms of UVW only. UVW minus, here we can change in cyclic order also, then there is no change in the result. Here we can write UVW also, UVW minus 2 into UWV, that is equal to 3 into UVW minus UVW Whereas here you can substitute that values. 3 1 are 3 minus 1, 2 you can write directly. Minus 2 into. Here u, v, w we want. Interchanging these two. Whenever we are interchanging any two rows or any two columns, its sign changes. Now 3 plus 2 5, 5 minus 1 4. 4 into what is the box UVW, that is 1. 4 1 are 4. Here A bar, B bar, C bar, 3 vectors are given. The 3 vectors are coplanar. Coplanar means its box equals 0. Box is nothing but a determinant of 1 1 1, 4 3 4, 1 alpha beta, that is equals to 0. And one more condition also given, modulus of C bar. Modulus of C bar, that is root of x square plus y square plus z square, that is equals to root 3. So 1 plus alpha square plus beta square, that is equals to 3. Alpha square plus beta square, that is equals to 2. Here we got one relation between alpha and beta. Maybe here also we can get the relation in between alpha and beta. By solving the 2, we can get alpha beta values. So 1 into 3 beta minus 4 alpha minus 1 into 4 beta minus 4 plus 1 into 4 alpha minus 3, that is equals to 0. Here minus 4 alpha plus 4 alpha is there. So here 3 beta minus beta plus 4 minus 3, that is equal to 0. So beta is equals to 1, we got directly. Beta is equals to 1, alpha square is equals to 1, alpha is equals to plus or minus 1. We can write 1 plus 1, then that is 2. Here A bar, B bar, C bar by 3 unit vectors means box modulus of A bar equals to modulus of B bar, that is equals to modulus of C bar, that is equals to 1. No two are collinear and also they are non-coplanar. They are coplanar, box ABC equals to 0, we can get directly. Here we have to find the value of box ABC and that is given. So here what I am doing, box ABC square. Box ABC square. How to write that one? A bar square means A bar dot A bar only. So here box ABC into box ABC. In the properties, this one also I have written. Box element into box box element into box ABC. I have written that one in the properties. How to write this one? Determinant of A bar dot A bar, A bar dot B bar, A bar dot C bar, B bar dot A bar, B bar dot B bar, B bar dot C bar, C bar dot A bar, C bar dot B bar, C bar dot C bar. Now A bar dot A bar, that is modulus of A bar square. Modulus of A bar square, modulus of A, that is 1. Here 1, A bar dot B bar, that is also given 1 by 2. A bar dot C bar also, here dot product, that is commutative. So A bar dot B bar equals to B bar dot A bar is 1 by 2. Here A bar dot C bar 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1, 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1. That one you can expand. Here you can get a 1 by 2. That is the value of a box ABC whole square. Box ABC whole square. So box ABC equals to plus or minus 1 by root 2. Here U, V, W are non-coplanar vectors and P, Q are real numbers. Then the equation. Here one property is there. Box L A bar, M B bar, N C bar. Here element are the real values. That one we can write L into M into N into box A bar, B bar, C bar. In the properties, I told you that one. There I have taken only one. Here every column in the every row, every element in the first row, that is the multiple of L. So its determinant is equal to L times and every element in the second row, that is also multiple of m, and every element in the third row, that is also multiple of n. So it's a determinant equals to element times box ABC we can write. And here what are the options are given? First option, exactly two values of p comma q. Second option, more than 2 but not all the values of p comma q. Third option, all values of p comma q. Fourth option, exactly one value of p comma q. Those are the options. Now here you can see. Here these are the real values. So it's a box that is equal to 3p square times box UVW minus PQ box VWU minus 4 into 2q square 4q square box WVU, that is equal to 0. That implies UVW here 3p square, this is UVW. UVW in the cyclic order, if you change that vectors, there is no change in the result also. UVW minus 4q square UVW. First I am interchanging these two. Cyclic order I am writing UWV, then interchange these two. UVW. First I am writing that one UWV. In the cyclic order, if I change it, UWV, there is no change. Now here you can interchange these two. By interchanging, its sign changes only. That is equal to 0. So overall we can take a UVW as a common, box UVW as a common. This is the scalar only, box UVW, box ABC always represents scalar. Now here in the bracket 3p square minus pq plus 4q square, that is equal to 0. Here already hint is given, UVW, the three are non-coplanar. If they are coplanar, its box equals to 0. Non-coplanar is given. This is not equals to, never equals to 0. But their product equals to 0 means this one compulsory equals to 0. 3p square minus pq plus 4q square should be equals to 0. Now, how to find? 4 3s are 12. If you want, you can take the factorization. Is it possible, that one? Not possible, I think. Now here, what about the b square minus 4? This is the, you can consider this is the quadratic equation either in p or q. If I take this is the quadratic equation in terms of p, then what about the b square minus 4ac? B square, if it is the quadratic equation, q square minus 4 into AC. AC means 3 into 4q square, that is equal to, here we are getting negative value. Q square always positive only. So minus something we are getting, minus 47q square, minus 47q square. So always less than 0. Negative means there doesn't exist real rows. Maybe for q is equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. For less than 0, there doesn't exist real rows. Equal to 0, that is possible only when p is equal to 0 and q is equal to 0. There exists only one set of values of p comma q. So here we can say fourth option, exactly one value of p comma q, that is p is equal to 0, q is equal to 0. Next one, given three vectors a bar, b bar, c bar, no two of which are collinear. Further, if a bar plus b bar is collinear with c bar, here a bar plus b bar is collinear with c bar. So here, if they are collinear or parallel, here we can write one vector in terms of another one by multiplying with the scalar. Collinear or parallel, here we can say that two are linearly dependent also. Either linearly dependent, if they are linearly dependent, here we can write we can express one vector in terms of other vector by multiplying with the scalar. So here we can write a bar plus b bar, that is equal to lambda c bar. Keep aside this one. And the next one more, b bar plus c bar is collinear with a bar. So here both are linearly dependent, that is equal to mu into a bar. Now here modulus of a bar, modulus of b bar, modulus of c bar, that is equal to root 2 is given. So here you can eliminate any one. A bar, in the place of b bar I can write mu into a bar minus c bar, that is equal to lambda into c bar. So a bar, if I take common, mu plus 1 minus c bar, if I take common, 1 plus lambda, that is equal to 0 vector. Two vectors are equal, 0 vector, here 0 into a bar plus 0 into c bar also we can write. So here that is possible only when mu plus 1 is equal to 0 and lambda plus 1, that is equal to 0, mu is equal to minus 1 and lambda is equal to minus 1. Here mu and lambda values we got minus 1. The same values here you can substitute. Here are there, you can substitute. Minus 1. If I transpose this one, here also minus 1, transfer that side. Here we can get a bar plus b bar plus c bar, that is equal to 0 bar. Squaring on both sides. Modulus of a bar square. Modulus of a bar square, that is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 into a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar, that is equal to 0. So here we can add a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar, that is equal to minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3. Next one. If a bar, b bar are two non-zero, non-collinear vectors, then box abi into I cap plus box abj into j cap plus box abk into k cap is equals to. Here options are given: a bar plus b bar, a bar plus b bar, a bar minus b bar cross a bar. Otherwise everything I am writing the same sequence. We can change the cyclic order also, that is equal to box IAB also we can write into I cap plus box JAB into J cap plus box K into AB, KAB into K cap, that is equal to A bar box AB, that is equal to A bar dot A bar cross B bar only. So here I can write I bar dot A bar cross B bar into I cap plus J cap dot A bar cross B bar into J cap plus K cap dot A bar cross B bar into K cap. Everywhere A bar cross B bar is there. This is the vector only. A bar cross B bar, that is the cross product or vector product we can say. So here I am taking A bar cross B bar, that is equal to, you can take any one of the vector, x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap I am taking. Now dot product with I cap dot A bar cross B bar. How much we can get here? I bar dot I bar square, that is 1 only. X only we are getting. I bar dot j bar 0, I bar dot k bar 0 only. So here we are getting this is x into I cap is there. So here the dot product of these two we can get y into j cap plus z into k cap, that is nothing but A bar cross B bar only. So here that is the second option. Here volume of tetrahedron whose coterminous edges are A bar plus B bar, B bar plus C bar, C bar plus A bar is 24. What is the volume of the tetrahedron? 1 by 6 box coterminous edges only. These are the coterminous edges. That is 1 by 6 box of A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus A bar. That is equal to 24 is given, cubic units. And this is already we solved. Box A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus A bar, that is equal to 2 times box ABC. That is equal to 24, 3 times box ABC, that is equal to 72. So box ABC, that is nothing but a modulus. If you take the modulus on both sides, modulus of box ABC, that is equal to 72 only. So modulus of box ABC is nothing but volume of a parallel pipe, that is equal to 72. See here, this is a JEE Mains 2020. If the volume of parallel pipe whose coterminous edges are given by UVW, volume of the parallel pipe, that is modulus of box UVW, that is equal to 1 is given, and theta is the angle between U bar and W bar. So here we can write cos theta is equal to U bar dot W bar by modulus of U bar into modulus of W bar. Two conditions are given here. Here box is nothing but if I remove that modulus, box UVW, that is equal to plus or minus 1. What is the box? Box is nothing but a determinant of 1 1 lambda, 1 1 3 and 2 1 1, that is equal to plus or minus 1. Here expand this one and equating to plus or minus 1. Here two values of lambda you can get. Lambda is equal to 2 comma 4. One time you can take lambda is equal to 2. If I take lambda, U bar is equal to, so here for lambda is equal to 2, for lambda is equal to 2, U bar is equal to I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. For lambda is equal to 4, U bar, that is equal to 114 I cap plus j cap plus 4 k cap. Now for lambda is equal to 2. See the angle between cos theta is equal to U bar dot W bar. U bar dot W bar. 2 1 are 2 plus 1 plus 2, 5 by, what is the modulus of U bar here? Modulus of U bar, that is equal to root of 4 plus 1 plus 1 root 6. Here modulus of U bar, root of 1 plus 16, 18, 3 root 2 we can write. Now modulus of W bar, that is equal to root of 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to root 6. Modulus of U bar, that is root 6 into modulus of W bar, that is root 6, that is equal to 5 by 6. But there is no option. Now for lambda is equal to 4, cos theta, that is equal to U bar dot W bar, U bar dot W bar. Here U bar, this one I am taking, W bar, this one. 2 1 are 2 plus 1 plus 4, that is 7. 7 by modulus of U bar, here 3 root 2 into modulus of W bar, that is root 6. So how much we are getting here? 7 by 3 root 2, root 3 into root 2 we can write. 7 by root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 3 are 6 root 3. 7 by 6 root 3. Here option is there. Here for lambda we are getting 2 values, but for 2 values we are not getting 2 options. So lambda equals to 4 satisfying. Option is there. Here, this is also 2020 mains question. P bar is equals to a plus 1 I cap. Here three vectors are given PQR and PQR are coplanar. If these coplanar vectors, if these three are coplanar vectors, its box is equals to box P bar, Q bar, R bar, that is equals to 0. Box means that is nothing but a determinant of a plus 1, a plus 1, a plus 1, that is equals to 0. Expand this one and equating to 0. Here we can get a value, that is minus 1 by 3. A is equals to minus 1 by 3. For a is equals to minus 1 by 3, here you can write down all the three vectors. In terms of real values, you can get minus 1 by 3 plus 1, that is 1 by 3 into I cap, like that you can write down. After that you can find out P bar dot Q bar, the dot product of the two, we can get 1 by 3, and at the minus 1 by 3, at the same time you can find out here R bar cross Q bar, cross product of that one, determinant of I, J, K or Q vectors you can write down. There we can get 1 by 9 into 3 I cap plus 3 J cap plus 3 K cap, that is 1 by 3 into I cap plus J cap plus K cap. Now substitute in that 3 into P bar dot Q bar, that is minus 1 by 3, that is equals to lambda into modulus of this one, modulus of this is root of root 3 by 3, that is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 whole square, 1 by 3 only. Here modulus of this one, root 3 by 3, that is 1 by root 3. Here these two gets cancelled. Lambda is equals to how much we are getting here? In that question here I have written is equals to, that is minus only. So here P bar dot Q bar I got minus 1 by 3. Here R bar cross Q bar, that one, modulus 1 by root 3, square of that one 1 by 3. Here you can substitute that both the values. 3 into P bar dot Q bar we got minus 1 by 3 minus lambda into this one 1 by 3 is equals to 0. So multiplying with the 3, these two gets cancelled. Minus 3, that is equals to, maybe here P bar dot Q bar we may get a plus, I think. 3 is equals to lambda. Lambda is equals to, sorry for this one, I have written wrongly that question. P bar dot Q bar whole square. Now here you can see, you can substitute in that, you can get the result. 3 into P bar dot Q bar, that is 1 by 9, whole square is there, minus lambda into, this is also 1 by 3, that is equals to 0, 3 times. So 1 by 3, that is equals to lambda by 3, 3 gets cancelled, that implies lambda is equals to 1. Next one, if A into alpha bar cross beta bar plus B into beta bar cross gamma bar plus C into gamma bar cross alpha bar equals to 0, at least one of ABC is non-zero, then the vectors alpha bar, beta bar, gamma bar are, here options parallel, first option parallel, second option coplanar, third option mutually perpendicular, fourth option none of these. So either coplanar or not. How to know that one? Here box alpha beta gamma we want. If you get a box alpha beta gamma is equals to 0, then we can say alpha beta gamma are coplanar. So to get a box alpha beta gamma, here what to do here? First I am taking this one A into alpha bar cross beta bar is there. I am doing the dot product with gamma bar. First I am taking dot product with alpha bar. If I take the dot product with alpha bar, A into alpha bar cross beta bar. If any, that is box alpha beta only. If I do the dot product with alpha beta plus B into alpha beta gamma plus C into alpha gamma alpha. If I do the dot product with alpha bar dot A bar dot B bar plus C bar, that is nothing but AB, box ABC. And if any two are equal, so its box is equal to 0, alpha beta gamma, this is also 0 only. So here what we are getting, B into box alpha beta gamma is equal to 0. Next, dot product with beta, this is 0, this is also 0. C into beta bar dot, beta gamma alpha, that is equal to 0. So here alpha beta gamma, that is also 0. Next, A we want A into box alpha beta gamma, dot product with gamma, that is equal to 0. Here ABC, what about the ABC? ABC are what they given? At least one of ABC is non-zero. If all are equal, then here we can't say anything. ABC all are equal. At least one is non-zero. See, the product is equal to 0 means compulsory box ABC, box alpha beta gamma should be equal to 0. Everywhere satisfying only. At least one of ABC is non-zero means maybe one is non-zero, either 2 or 3 are non-zeros, but their product is equal to 0. So everywhere box alpha beta gamma should be equal to 0. Here box is equal to 0, alpha beta gamma are said to be coplanar. And here I did not discuss more problems on related to parallelepiped, volume of the parallel, otherwise we can discuss one problem now. Remaining all same like that only, we have to find evaluate the determinant only. Volume of the parallelepiped, that is box ABC, that is nothing but a determinant. So already in the determinants we have practiced so many problems also. One problem we can discuss now. After that I will close the session. Here volume of tetrahedron formed by the vertices. Here vertices are given. If co-terminus edges are given, we can find it directly 1 by 6 into box ABC only. But here vertices are given. So this one I am taking, this is A, B, C, D. The position vectors I am taking, this is OA bar 0 to 1. Instead of writing 2 j cap plus k cap, I have written directly point 0 to 1. And OB bar, that is equal to 1 minus 1 2, and OC bar, that is equal to 3 0 1, and OD bar, that is equal to 1 0 1. Now here you can find out AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. AB bar, OB bar minus OA bar, that is 1 minus 3 1. AC bar, OC minus OA 3 minus 2 0. OD minus OA. Now volume of the tetrahedron, that is equal to 1 by 6 into box AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. Box AB bar, AC bar, AD bar, that is nothing but a determinant of 1 minus 3 1, 3 minus 2 0, 1 minus 2 0. That one you can expand. 1 into modulus also you can keep that one. Here we don't know whether we are getting the positive value or negative value. So you can put the modulus, you can consider positive value only. 1 into 0 plus 3 into 0 plus 1 into minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2. So here you can put in the modulus. We have to consider the positive value. See how much we are getting, minus 4, that is 4 only. 4, that is equal to 2 by 3 cubic units. Third option. Like that we can complete the volume of the parallelepiped and volume of the tetrahedron. Thank you.